I'm Professor Askar Kutanov. I am member of Kyrgyz National Academy of Science, and my goal to attend this conference. It was I'm first time attending this conference, international conference on research infrastructure. And I think it's very useful for me to attend such conference because I get many knowledge. I learn about how European infrastructure is developing. And actually, Central Asia is partner for European Union. There is special strategy of European Union for Central Asia. And I'm very happy also to be in Athens. It's the first time I'm in Greece. When I was in school, we learned Asian history, and so it's a kind of dream. So now I am it's come true. So I'm very happy to be in Athens. And regarding the conference, it's really very interesting and very good speakers from different countries. So it's a real opportunity to learn how to develop science, innovation. Of course now there are global challenges, and I think we need to collaborate between scientists because science have no boundaries. Greece is actually a motherland for science, and so I think it's the right place to organize such a conference. And also, I have to say that excellent organization of conference, very friendly staff of organizing committee. So I feel like at home. So it's a great pleasure, and I think it's also very important now, I think, to collaborate between scientists around the world to make efforts to build a more bright future for all people around the world. Especially I think we need to especially as already said in the conference, that it's energy, food, environmental security. So it's very challenge for humanity. So we have to work together. And just I'm very also glad that now, just during these 2 days, I've contacted with many scientists, and we agreed for collaboration.